Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will look at SL Green Realty Corporation. Actually, Green Realty Corporation has shown some interesting behavior during this week and previous weeks. So after showing some nice uptrend here, now we see this week is a downtrend and then a very interesting jump here just before the closure we see. Now the question is it really going to trend up further, or is it a break of the trend and it will go further down, and is it a good buy stock or not? Well, answer is yes, it's definitely interesting stock to watch on, and very interesting buy opportunities might come for it in coming days. So let's have a look where those could be and what the chart means for the stock today. So first let's have a look at the RSI. If we see in general there is a trend forming downstairs, especially after reaching at the beginning of the week the overbought situation. There is a clear decline from traders and we see downtrend behavior, and though we see some small jump up here today, I think in general the downtrend will continue. Then on the convergence divergence index of MACD, we also can see there is a clear downtrend formed, and it still didn't reach the zero area, so it might be going down further. Although if you look a little bit careful here, there is some kind of convex behavior instead of really going concave, and this means there is a chance for a small jump up at the opening in the Monday. And if this would happen, the most probably that it will reach somewhere at the level of 55 plus. So this could be a small retrace here at the opening. Opening could be below the closure, a little bit up, so but here it might still hit it, and then volatility will take place. But this is a really strong resist in this case because it's the end of the trend. It was neglected at the beginning of the week, and yeah, we can see some fight here between bulls and the bears. Another consideration that says that it might be reaching this before the general decline is also this magic cross up here, although it's a small one, but it's still possible. And this could also create this additional pressure up at the opening on Monday. But then RSI here is really strong and clear, as well as convergence divergence index, and there are some other resists formed here that coincide exactly with this line. So most probably this would be some volatility fight, and then we will observe some short-term decline. And then if this would be happening, it's an interesting question when it's advised to buy and sell the stock. So we need also to understand what the behavior of the averages would be in this case. So if the trend will continue at the total green of the moving average 20 and then go down a little bit, and moving average 50 will proceed as well. Here we could observe a situation as a magic cross down, and this is kind of bullish, bearish indicator here. So this one together with the fight here at the level of 57 plus could cause some downtrend, confirmed also by RSI going down and MACD. So most probably the stock will observe some downtrends starting somewhere at least middle of next week. Then if this would happen, the interesting buying opportunities will appear, of course, there, but then we need to look when will it happen. If you look carefully, the first buying opportunity will be actually at these levels, so 41 plus. This would be the first buying box opportunity, and if the trend will continue further down, we can say actually that the next buying opportunity will appear somewhere here. So if we would redraw the box, yeah, starting a little bit above here would be the second buying box opportunity. So it will be number 1 and number 2, and then some retrace would be expected, and actually the stock should go up. Also, this is confirmed by another trend lines here, although it's a little bit weak line. If we draw it like that, actually we can see that indeed it's crossing two boxes, and this should be kind of a support for this stock. So also our previous consideration shows that, yeah, could be somewhere here after the magic cross down, and this will be kind of a reversal point. So then if the stock is returned, so in the mid-terms, let's say 1-2 weeks time, the question would be when it's the best time to sell it. And then in order to be at the safe side, let's see, the nice selling opportunity will be actually here, again about 51 plus, but then it's still a question because it might be still fighting here, and let's throw it in green, and then the stock can decide either to go up or down. Here we should be a little bit careful also not to forget that overall downtrend is expected because the Q2 results are expected to be moderate or low for companies due to COVID situation. So here it will be really big question where stock will go, but still it's too early to say. I propose we come back to this stock later in a couple of weeks and see what will be its behavior. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.